Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to use iCloud in order to find a missing Apple device like your iPhone, Mac computer, Apple Watch, or Airpods. Before we begin, it's important to note that you need to have enabled Find My Device on the device that you're trying to locate. On a Mac computer, it's located inside of Preferences, Apple ID, and then scrolling down and checking the box next to Find My Mac. On an iPhone, you need to tap Settings and then tap your name at the top with Apple ID. In here, tap Find My and then turn on Find My iPhone. Once you know you have Find My Device turned on, head to any browser and go to iCloud.com. Enter your Apple ID email and password and hit enter. You will be prompted to allow your login through TwoFactor Authentication. On another Apple device you own, you will be given an authentication number. Enter that here and then click Trust this browser. A helpful note here, if you're not receiving a code, ask somebody else in your family who may be linked to your Apple account if they're receiving one. I've had this happen before and it's worth asking before going crazy because it's not coming through to your device. Once you're logged into the iCloud homepage, click Find iPhone on the bottom right. Your browser will then refresh and show you on a map where your devices have last pinged to the Apple servers. At the top, select All Devices and a drop-down list will show you all of the Apple devices you've logged into. You'll see ones that are green that are online currently and grayed out that are offline. I'll go ahead and select a device like my iPhone here, and it'll show me where that device is located currently. From here on the right, I can select Play Sound or Lost Mode, or in worst case scenario, Erase iPhone. I'll select Play Sound, and as you can hear, my iPhone started making an alert. By pressing Lost Mode, this will remotely lock my device with a passcode and display a custom message with your phone number on the missing device's lock screen. If you've added credit, debit, or prepaid cards to Apple Pay, the ability to make payments is also going to be suspended on this device. And like I said, worst case scenario, if you've lost your phone or you feel it's been stolen and you don't want any of your information to get out, select Erase iPhone. This will delete everything on your iPhone, including all of your personal items and payment methods, but you won't be able to track it at all anymore. And as you can see here, this works the same on a computer as it does on an iPhone. This is my Mac Pro. I can play a sound from the Mac, I can lock it, or I can erase it again. And that's how you use Find My Phone or Find My Mac to locate a missing Apple device. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.